Feeling overwhelmed by the digital world?
Constant notifications, endless scrolling, and screen time can leave us mentally drained. Digital overwhelm is a common experience, but guided meditation offers practical tools for relief. Let's explore top meditation channels and playlists designed to help you reset and find calm in today's hyper-connected environment.
The power of short guided meditations.
Even brief meditation sessions can reduce stress and reset your mind. Channels that focus on accessible, bite-sized meditations are perfect for breaking the cycle of digital overload. Short guided practices help you step away from screens and reconnect with the present moment, enhancing focus and emotional balance.
Headspace, easy access to mindfulness.
Headspace offers a variety of short, guided meditations that address the particular stressors caused by non-stop digital engagement. Their playlists include sessions tailored to digital fatigue, mindful breaks, and breathing exercises, all crafted to fit into a busy schedule.
The Honest Guys, gentle audio relaxation.
The Honest Guys on YouTube specialize in guided meditations of various lengths, including many that can soothe digital stress. Their calm narration and immersive soundscapes make it easy to unplug and refocus, even if you only have 5 or 10 minutes to spare.
Calm, quick meditations for busy lives.
The Calm channel features a curated playlist of short meditation exercises, such as daily calm and 1-minute mindfulness breaks. These guided sessions help you step away from screens and foster a peaceful mindset, making them ideal for those who face frequent digital overload.
Tips for lasting digital balance.
To make the most of guided meditation, build short breaks into your digital routine and set clear boundaries around screen usage. Explore playlists that resonate with you and revisit them regularly. Prioritizing even a few mindful minutes each day can make a big difference in how you manage digital overwhelm.